Welcome back to FastFix channel. Today I will show you how to share Instagram profile link. So first, go ahead to your Instagram app. And then, as you can see at the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon right here. And then tap on Share Profile. Then here, you can basically scan the QR code. So it will automatically share on their Instagram. The second option that you're going to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to QR code. Here you have two options to share your profile link, share profile or copy link. So for the example, I will share profile, then I will choose the WhatsApp, then I will specifically choose who I want to share my profile link on Instagram. Now the second one is copy link. So tap on copy link. So after you copy the link, go again to the message and paste the link right here. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.